Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to achieve this holiday glam makeup look using only products that are $20 or less. This was my inspiration for today's look. Typically when you think of holiday makeup, you probably don't think of peaches and corals, but I was so drawn to this makeup look as a holiday look because it is so different and unexpected. I really just fell in love with everything about this look and I could not wait to attempt to recreate it. So that is what I have done today. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, perfect for any holiday party you may be attending this year, using only products that are $20 or less, please keep on watching. I start by prepping my eyes with a little concealer and blending it out with a brush from my lash line all the way up to just underneath my brows. Then I take a makeup puff and set the lids with a little translucent powder. For this eye look, I used the Sigma eyeshadow quad in Peach Pie. I picked up the shade Crumble and ran that back and forth through my crease in a windshield wiper motion, making sure to blend up and out towards my temples. Then I applied the shade Baked using a smaller brush, blending that onto the outer corners of my lids, and then blending ever so slightly up into the crease. The focus though is really on the outer V shape of the eye. Next, I used my finger to apply the shimmer shade Peachy onto my mobile lid. Then using a long-wearing eye pencil, I created a wing following my lower lash line outward. And then I used a tiny angled brush to soften and sort of smoke out the line. Now I'm taking a Q-tip with some eye makeup remover and just cleaning up underneath my eyes, giving them a crisp, winged appearance. Then I curled my lashes, tight lined with that same eye pencil I used earlier, applied mascara, For my face, I started with the L'Oreal Prime Lab Pore Minimizing Primer, and then I used a little Wet n Wild Primer Serum underneath my eyes. For foundation, I used a mixture of the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint and the Milani Conceal and Perfect Bronzing Drops. I personally don't love the dropper application of the Superstay Skin Tint, so I buy pumps on Amazon. After that, I go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And then contouring with another product from Milani. This is their Cream Bronzer. Then I set my under eyes and T-zone with a Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in Translucent. And then I set the contour with this City Bronzer from Maybelline. Next, I fill in my brows. This is a pencil from Jason Wu Beauty. And then I draw on a few extra brow hairs using the Maybelline Build-A-Brow pen. Finally, I set everything in place with the L'Oreal 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. And then I go back and sort of fine-tune the eyes by adding a dark brown eyeshadow over the top of the pencil. And then also adding the brown pencil to my lower waterlines. And then I use the shade Baked, which is the same one I used on the outer corners of my eyes, to smoke out my lower lash line using a pencil brush. And then I went back and just added a little bit more darkness to the outer corners. And now I'm taking the lightest shimmer from the palette called Ice Cream and adding that to my tear ducts and underneath the arch of my brow. And then for just a touch more intensity through the crease, I used a tiny bit of the Milani Baked Blush in Peach of Me. Then I mixed that same Peach of Me blush with a little Milani Luminoso and applied that to my cheeks. And then for highlight, I used this great new product from L'Oreal. It's the Lumi Le Glace in Glassy Pearl. And look how pretty that is. Then to set that highlight and just add a little bit more glow, because this is a holiday festive look, I used the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Golden Flower Crown. For lips, I used the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade On It. Followed by Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in Peachy. And topped it with the Milani Fruit Fetish Lip Oil in Luminoso. Then I applied some corner lashes. Added some bottom lash mascara. And set with the Morphe setting spray. And that's the look. I absolutely love the way this makeup turned out, and I definitely plan to recreate it again. As always, all of the products will be listed and linked down below in the description box, as well as tagged through YouTube Shopping if available. Also going to show you a full-length view of the dress I have on. It's from Amazon. Also perfect for a holiday party. It comes in several different colors. You can easily wear a strapless bra with it. You can easily wear shapewear with this dress. I've also linked some accessories from Amazon, and you can always check out my Amazon storefront for more fashion and accessory ideas. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will consider doing so. I do post new content at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me over on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. My username is the same on every platform. It's Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.